Some new makeup to look at from Natasha Denona. I can't wait to share this with you. If you want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So I brought some new products from Natasha Denona. I've heard good things about her brand, so I thought I'd give it a go. Before I get into the unboxing, then please, if you wouldn't mind, consider subscribing to my channel. And also I am running an October giveaway. I'll leave the link for that video down below. So I was looking on Look Fantastic the other day, where I bought a couple of advent calendars, and I also come across the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. So this is a little mini one, and this will set you about £22. Okay, so the little palette is called Sunset. And like I say, it is a mini, but the colours are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to swatch it for you so that you can see for yourself. The formula is so creamy, very easy to blend, and I absolutely love it. So we'll put it on here. 1, 2. Look at them shimmers. Whoa. And the last one, last shimmer. Beautiful. And that can go there. So I'm sure you can agree, this is a beautiful looking palette. I'm really happy with it. I love the packaging as well. And it does come in this beautiful little box. So it's well presented, gorgeous. Next I got a Bronze and Glow. This is again the mini, and this was £16. Which, you know, I think is kind of fair price. I like the minis because it just gives you a chance to try higher brands. So the little palette looks like this. It is a bloody finger magnet, no doubt about it. And inside you get a little mirror, and then you get your bronze and your highlight. And again, these are so beautiful. Now, I don't know whether my skin tone is maybe not good for these, but I did find that the makeup is quite subtle and you would need to build up, and I did have to build up a little bit. As you can see, I was quite disappointed that these are not more pigmented. But like I say, I don't know whether it's because it didn't give you a choice of whether you wanted a light, medium or anything like that. They literally just have this one. So for me, I did have to sort of go in a few times to use the product. However, for £16, I really like it, and I think I'll use this quite a lot. Okay, next we got the Blush Glow Duo. So it's kind of the same principle as the bronze and highlight. But again, the packaging is a finger magnet, but it is stunning. Sorry, it's reflecting on everything. You probably can't even see anything. So let's do there. Nope. But it is gorgeous. You get a little mirror in it. There are the colours there. So the highlight is kind of like a very pinky sort of subtle colour again. But again, I struggled to get any sort of like colours on these. So, I mean, that's all right for the highlight, but I just found the blush really hard work. Really. But they're subtle. So if you like that subtle everyday look, that's perfect. Just give you a little bit of colour. That was £16. Now, this is the love of my life. These are beautiful. The formula is so creamy and just beautiful. The packaging, oh my god, look at this packaging, guys. I absolutely love it. It's got the magnetic thing. That's not coming off. It's in white. And then you got this. This is £22. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sort of like been collecting her lipsticks, but I will now be switching to Natasha's lipsticks because I love them. Beautiful. The formula is, I've never felt anything like it. It is so beautiful, so creamy. I've had this on since this morning. I've had coffee and it is still there. I got the colour shade, it's Claudia. Now I do remember that these lipstick ones, they are all girls' names. So this is a lipstick called Claudia, but they're like all nudes. So I love it, absolutely love it. That is going to be my go-to lipstick now. So I'm afraid Charlotte Tilbury, I've switched to Natasha Denona. Right, okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to check out the giveaway. I will leave the link for that video down below. If you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and just helps my channel out a little bit, and it just helps me know that what I'm doing you guys are actually enjoying. If there's anything that you guys would like me to review, please leave a comment, let me know. Please leave a comment and tell me, do you own any Natasha Denona makeup items yourself? And what did you think of this collection? Did you think it's worth the price? Okay, so that's it for now. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other, and we'll speak soon. Mwah. Ta-da. Bye.